Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today YouTube has a new feature that has come out and it is called hashtagging. Now, hashtagging is what most social media sites use, like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all those other things that use hashtags. Shut the heck up, phone! Gosh, what the heck? Come on! Okay, anyways, enough about that. So, we're going to use hashtags on our video. So, how to put hashtags in so that they appear is simple. What you do is you go to your YouTube description like this, and then you will press on the hashtag key. So if you don't know what that is in layman's terms, you just hold down the shift key and press the number 3 to type in your hashtag. So for this, we're just going to type in movie trailer, hashtag official, hashtag Domingo. So I entered 3 hashtags in this description. So what you do is you click on save, and then one thing that you would normally do to make sure everything changes, and then you click on your video link here. So as you can see on the top, it shows the hashtags that we just entered. So what these are is that these are clickable links to the hashtag description. So let's say we're going to click the movie trailer hashtag. So it takes us to a direct link to hashtag movie trailer. And it shows movie trailers right here with the latest videos of movie trailers. And then you can go back and then you can click other hashtags like hashtag official, and then it takes you to like official videos, and there's only 3 results from this hashtag. So it's pretty cool when it comes to using hashtags. That allows your video to get more traction. So for example, let's say that we are going to go into a YouTube Studio Beta update. So we're going to click that video. I entered a hashtag on a few of my videos already. So it's hashtag YouTube Studios. So we're going to click on this link again, and then it will show us the direct hashtag link. So as you can see, hashtag YouTube Studio, hashtag today. So we're going to click YouTube Studio, and then my video will show up number 1 in the search results. That's fantastic. It's like one of the newest things that you can do with your YouTube videos now so that you can get relevancy. This is like the hashtag functions in Instagram. If you tag certain things in your YouTube videos, it will more than likely be relevant. So I believe these hashtags are made for relevancy for future content. So as you can see, I was able to become number 1 in the search because I used the hashtag YouTube Studio, and then it was featured for today. So what I did was I used the keywords and highlighting this, and then the first word that came up, there it is. So this is a great way to get traction on your videos, and you have to use the proper hashtags. Now, are there proper hashtags to use for most content? I don't think so. But I would just use your imagination, get creative, and just use relevant hashtags that have to do with your content. So like if you make a motivational video, your hashtag would be hashtag motivation, that sort of thing. And just relevancy. Relevancy is important nowadays on YouTube. If your content is not relevant, then I believe you will not be able to succeed. So for this example here, we're just going to show you how to make it of the hashtag. So we've made 3 hashtags here, where I've made in the Paint 3D, and then the tutorial, and then the thumbnail. So these are the key hashtags. And you can enter more than one so that you can have more relevancy. So we're going to click on the Paint 3D hashtag to see what comes up. And the top video that comes up is this one, where in the title they've used hashtag Paint 3D as well. So there you go. I hope that gives you a further explanation on how the hashtags are used and how to use them. So thank you very much for watching this. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next video. Take care.